Right, this is a short video to show you how to install the KakBritva central wide split clamp onto your workshop precision adjust system. The gear connect adapter and the clamp is available on Gritomatic.com. So firstly, on your workshop itself, simply remove the magnetic knife clamp holder, unscrew the knife clamp. When they're new, there could be a little bit of a layer of glue or paint holding the clamp itself to the plastic. Or the back bar. It very easily pries apart with a slight movement, and it separates into two pieces. So I'm fully unscrewing this. A little washer and a nut. Open up the clamp. Take the bolt out. Set the clamp to the side. Remove this part of the bolt. Now everything is ready to install the KakBritva center wide clamp onto the workshop clamp holder. Firstly, if you do receive the KakBritva central wide clamp with the back spacer, then you just need to remove the bolt that's in the back to separate two parts. This will take a 4mm Allen screwdriver. Simply just remove the screw in the back. Set that hardware aside. Now what you do is take the main part of the KakBritva center split clamp, install the gear connect spacer into the recess so it nicely faces the gear of the workshop precision adjust clamp holder. What we may have to do in this case is just to loosen the clamp itself so we can get the bolt from the workshop precision adjust in. We'll just separate the clamp slightly. This slides in nicely. Goes right through the clamp hole. And through the spacer. So now the bolt that originally came with your workshop precision adjust is inside the back hole of the KakBritva clamp. I'm just going to reinstall these little clamp screws real quick. And now this is ready to be installed into the workshop precision adjust clamp rotating holder. So carefully slide it into the hole, making sure of course that the recess here in the back of the gear connect connector is going to slide over the workshop precision adjust clamp holder, and that the small holes line up with these little nipples that protrude into there. So I'm going to put the bolt through, put on the little plastic nut or the plastic washer, carefully install plastic nut itself, rotating thumb screw nut. Tighten that up nicely, and you'll see that everything lines up nicely. And now make it nice and relatively tight, not over tighten of course, it is a plastic nut. And that is it. Now your KakBritva central wide clamp is installed on your workshop precision adjust. Very, very versatile, very nice clamp, separated in the center, works really well for distal taper and for various knife grinds.